Artificial intelligence is not coming. It is already here, right now, in your phone, in your apps, in your work, in your life. Every day, AI is getting smarter, faster, cheaper, more powerful. And most people are ignoring it. They think, it won't affect me. I'm safe. I'll learn later. That's what people said before the internet, before smartphones, before social media. And they were wrong. AI is changing jobs. Writers, designers, teachers, drivers, office workers, programmers. No field is untouched. Some jobs will disappear, some will change, new ones will be created. The question is not, will AI replace me? The real question is, will I learn to use AI? Because people who use AI will replace people who don't. AI is a tool, like fire, like electricity, like the internet. It can destroy or it can build. It depends on who controls it. Right now, smart people are learning. They are using AI to work faster, learn better, create more, earn more, while others are scrolling, complaining, wasting time. Let me be honest. The future belongs to learners, not complainers, not lazy people, not comfortable people. Learners. Every day, you have a choice. Use AI to grow, or ignore it and fall behind. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be a genius. You need curiosity, discipline, and action. Start small. Learn one tool. Practice daily. Apply it to your life, business, study, content, skills. Do not fear AI. Fear being outdated. Fear being replaceable. Fear refusing to adapt. Because history is clear. Those who adapt survive. Those who resist disappear. AI will not destroy humanity, but it will expose laziness. It will reward effort. It will multiply skill. So become skilled. Become valuable. Become irreplaceable. The future is being written right now by those who are learning. So remember, think deeper, know more, and take action. This is KnowMore.